Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrina in my priceless kitchen. Thanks so much for stopping by for today's recipe. As always, the full directions and ingredients list will be in the description box below. This is another edition of Cooking with Katrina in my priceless kitchen. Today is all about salmon and shrimp. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe so much so that at the end, you'll give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below, and if you're new, you'll strongly consider joining my Prices family. Hit the subscription once, hit the bell twice, so you never miss a future upload. Now, let me hush and let's get to cooking. Along with my baked salmon and shrimp, I added jasmine rice and some stir-fried broccoli. Yum and yum again. Thank you so much for stopping by for another edition of Cooking with Katrina. And if you love cooking recipes, well, I happen to have 110, well, over 100 recipes for you to enjoy. My Amazon storefront is conveniently open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Check out my curated idea list. The link is in the description box and the bio. Okay, love Wally World? Well, I do too. Check out my Walmart storefront. You know, I have budget friendly ideas just for you. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.